That's a thing. And it's embarrassing for some reason. Oh my god. Let's go move on. Hey guys, it's me, Sandra. And you know my brothers already. So, my video is gonna be pretty short. But anyways, let's head over and get some movie time. Hello, so it's almost time for bed, and I can't even think of anything. So this video is gonna be called Ignoring My Parents for 24 Hours. Hey guys, it's the twins. Yeah. Well, we have slime here. Yeah. We can put slime in these bowls.
Yes.
I'm gonna just check.
Yes.
Making them. Yes. OMG. What? She will be back for a minute. We have slime here. Yes. This is glam. Some of them are lime. Yeah. Yes. So stretch it. And this you can put a slime with some balls. And you can like you can squeeze it. You can make bubbles. Yeah. I just need to put this. I can't get it out. Okay, no, that's too much. How dare you call me mama? Okay. I have to fill it up, and this one is also slime, but it's neon. Yeah, neon. I was about to say neon, but cause I get confused. And it's so gluey, like. Yeah. So I'll be later. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. Adios, amigos. I'm just kidding. Adios, amigos. It's yellow. Like pea. Fluffy. Like pea, yellow, neon. Fluffy. Neon. Wait. This one. This one's neon. So the title is My Eyebrows. I'm your daddy. I'm a grandpa. I am the great and powerful. Who are you? Hey guys, so we're the twins. You know us, so yeah. We have slime, we put glitter in it, and we're totally a mess. Which is a mess? All the messes. Even her brothers are playing Fortnite, and my sister is playing Fortnite. And you better watch. I am the slime monster. My eyebrows are. Wait, what do you call them? My eyebrows. Oh yeah, I say my eyebrows. It's I'm so funny. Daddy, I'm your grandpa. If you like slime or you don't like slime, or you like Fortnite. Fortnite lovers. This or that. Yeah, these are like, because if you look at these are the glittery ones. Yeah. Oh. Even this one. Yeah, so glittery. Glittery people. We made the glitter slime, hooray! Comment if you like these, want this or this. Or you don't like them. Oh my gosh, you did color one. It's a little bitty. Yeah, but whatever. There's a now, we don't see it. Do you like this one or this one. Hi guys, we have slimes. We
love slime.
and forever, forever and ever. She's my cousin.
Yeah, but we're just twins.
I like this and this. Wait, where's my phone? And this, but we accidentally mixed some.
I'm doing this. I don't know what green and pink make.
What is this? Oh.
I think it makes.
We make so much glitter. We love glitter. Comment down below.
If you're a Fortnite lover, just
Or-
like Fortnite.
Or you,
We
or
don't
you're-
like you.
or you're a slime lover.
We're slime lovers.
Guys,
So as you can see, we have some slime. This one is glittery. There's so much glitter on it. Glitter.
I think we mixed them up. Yep.
Yeah, we did. We mix these up.
This is mint actually. I call it
teal.
yeah, teal. I like this color.
I love.
That color. This one.
I like
That's
this color
And I like this one. That's all what I need.
And this one. And whatever.
So we're gonna put these, this, like this.
I have an idea.
So we have these balls, and we need to put slime in there. And are you a Fortnite lover or a slime lover? Comment down below.
It's like Fortnite.
Wait, just Fortnite.
Just Fortnite.
Fortnite. So
Just please
if
go away.
you,
I don't
oh,
want you anymore.
even my name is Rihanna, and your name?
Kendra.
Yep. We went to the store to like get these.
And
Even
it
the
was
long-
so expensive. It was $12.99.
So, do you like slime or not? If you don't like slime, just watch someone else. So
If you
watch-
don't like slime, just comment down below and we'll fix your problem. I'm just kidding. If you're a Fortnite lover and you don't like slime, then
DJ bro.
and it's almost Christmas.
yeah. And my brothers are playing Fortnite.
And my sister's playing Fortnite.
Yeah.
And-
Fortnite lovers.
They're playing on the TV, our big TV.
Our
And-
big PS4.
Why are you using shoulders?
You're just kidding me. Even though I love slime, she loves slime. Some kids love slime.
They don't like slime. They're Fortnite lovers. OMG.
So at school, I got this list, and we can send it to Santa, and then he's gonna make it come true. Maybe we don't know if it's a lie or not.
Ice cream. No, this is
Bye.
ice cream.
Yeah, she hit him.
I think so.
OMG. Bye, girls. Bye, gal. Please support us. Leave a like that. And we don't want your money.
My name is Rihanna, and we love slime. And
If you do, comment down below and make sure if you don't like our video, then
then don't watch it.
then we'll give you a punishment.
Or if you make a video, we're gonna give you a thumbs down.
Yeah.
Some reason
If you're a
I-
boy watching this and you don't like slime, I'm gonna throw this on you.
in me if I have to.